Okay guys, so basically a couple of people have got these sill lights, which are the LED sill lights down here. Some people are having some problems installing it. So a lot of people have got underneath here a light which they can wire straight up to it and then bring it down this plastic and then screw through there and then straight in. Obviously some people haven't got that, so the next solution really is your headlight, well, your bulk light here. So what you've got to do is open that up. Underneath there's a screw, so you need to take the screw out. Once you've taken this down, you will see on the left hand side a small little clip that's got 4 wires into. What that does is that's a wire that goes right back to this light at the back here. What you want to do is you want to unplug it. There is a brown wire and then there's a red and blue wire. You just want to splice it a little bit, put maybe either a chock-a-block or some type of a Wago clip on there. You want to come off that with 2 wires. So you want to do 2 wires to go to your left and 2 wires to go to the right. All you want to do then is you want to just hide the wire behind all this. You're going to have in this corner here a little tiny bit of wire that you can see. Obviously I've got my camera system here as well. You're going to come all the way down there and then all the way down the rubber down to the bottom. Same again here. I've got obviously camera. The extra wire goes right behind the back down here to this corner. As you can see, 2 wires there. Then I'm going to go through here all the way down to there, and then obviously right down the back, down the side here, all the way down into here, and then obviously screwed directly into there. Well, obviously that's stuck down there, as you can see. That's all light enough. But that was the easiest option for me, with not having any footwell lights or side lights, which are footwell lights. Like I said, 1 screw underneath there. I found I didn't see that screw at first, and I pulled this off here, and I was trying to pull it down and I couldn't get it off, and then I realised there was a screw underneath there. Once you take that screw out, it all pops down and then you can see the wires. But like I said, it's a brown wire on the left and then there's a blue and red wire. That is basically connected to your remote central locking. So when you press your button on your lock, your lights come on, and the same with opening the door and closing the door, your lights come on, and that's where the power comes from, so that it doesn't use any other power. Any problems, just drop us a message.